When the world keeps pulling me away and my heart forgets to pray, I hear your voice inside the storm, calling me back where I belong. I was chasing after empty things, clowns that never made me king, but your love showed me the way. Now I choose you every day. I will trust you with tomorrow. You will carry every sorrow. Lord, I know you're in control. Seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness above all. Every need you already made. You never let your children fall. I won't fear what comes my way. Your hands provide from day to day. When I put my faith in you, all these things are added to. Birds don't worry about the rain. Flowers never hide their praise. If you care for all of these, I know you're watching over me. So I lay my burdens down, trade my weakness for your crown. See, you're all I'm living for, now and forevermore. Your kingdom first, my heart surrenders. Your will we down, now and forever. And no more striving, no more fear. You are with me, always near. Seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness above all. You are faithful, you are true. Everything I need is found in you. Seek first the kingdom of God. I will trust you through it all. When I put my faith in you, all these things are added to. Mama binigyan na din ako. Mama binigyan na din ako. Seek first the kingdom of God. Seek first the kingdom of God. Seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness